Hello arty people! Today I'm back with a cute little project for all you Mandalorian fans. I'll be showing you how I made this Baby Yoda pencil topper using Sculpey. I know his real name has been revealed, spoiler, it's Grogu, but I don't love it, so he'll always be Baby Yoda to me. There's 3 main stages to make this: sculpting the body, painting it, and making his little coat. On with the making! I'm starting with a quick drawing of the model showing the inside structure I need to make. I've drawn it the size the model will be so I can hold the model up to it as I go to check everything is in proportion. The first thing I need to make is the wire armature, which I'll be doing using a piece of card and green garden wire. I've got a length of wire and I've made 2 loops at the middle. Then I'm going to twist the wire together. When it gets near the end, I'm using a cocktail stick to help with the twisting. Once I've twisted both loops, I can match it to my drawing and trim the twists. These will be the ears. Then I'm going to continue twisting the strands of wire together where the head and neck will be. Then each strand of wire gets looped again to form the shoulders and arms. I always give myself way more wire than I'll need, as I can never quite tell how much the twisting will shorten it. Then I trim the excess wire and cut the arms to size, bending them into position. Now I can attach the wire to the card piece. To do this, I'll be using super glue and bicarbonate of soda. Holding the wire in position on top of the card with one hand, I squeeze super glue all over it. Then straight after, I sprinkle on the bicarb. The bicarb acts as an accelerator, making the glue dry almost instantly. It also thickens the glue so there is more to attach to the wire and card. That's the armature complete, with a space left to insert a pencil. To bulk out the armature, I'm wrapping some foil around it, which will mean I won't have to use as much Sculpey to build up the model. Then I need to cover the whole thing in a layer of Sculpey. I'm not too concerned with an exact shape at this stage, I just want to get everything covered. I'm going to match it to my drawing to check I've got the sizing right. I just need to bend the arms into a better position. Next, I'll need to add some more bulk around the body, all the time making sure a pencil will still fit. Now I can start to add more detail, starting with the shape of the ears. I'm using a cocktail stick to help me blend and shape the Sculpey where my fingers are too big. Doesn't quite look like Baby Yoda yet, I'm getting more Dobby vibes. Next, I'm adding more Sculpey to the body. This doesn't need to be very detailed, as I'll be covering it with fabric when I make his little coat. The same with the arms. The hands will be seen poking through the sleeves, so I need to pay more attention to them. I'm checking how long I need the arms to be, and then I can start to add fingers. Luckily, Baby Yoda only has 3. Things would get very fiddly if I had to make any more. Now I'm going to move on to the face, which is the hardest part. This took me a while and a lot of adding and then taking away Sculpey until I got it just right. This dotting tool is actually made for nail art, but I find them really useful for model making. I have a few of them, each with a different size ball on the end. They're great for making smooth marks and blending small sections. I think the addition of that top lip is finally what's making it look like Baby Yoda. I added all of these little bits to the forehead for some bumpy texture, but then I thought it made the forehead stick out too much, so I took it all off again. I've finally finished sculpting and baked the model in the oven, ready to paint. I started by painting the whole thing in a coat of green paint, not worrying too much about a good colour match as this is just the base layer. Again, I don't need to paint the body as this will be covered up with his coat. Then it's just a case of painting in the details. Add in the pink of the ears, some rosy cheeks, the lights and the darks, and the eyes. For the little coat, I'm using some felt and a piece of fleece. I've cut 2 squares of felt to glue on as the sleeves. Then I've got a big rectangle with 2 holes in to be the main body of the coat, which I'm gluing in place. After trimming the felt, I'm going to sew around the edge using running stitch. I can then pull on the thread to gather the felt around the pencil at the base of the model. I'm then going to do the same thing with the top of the coat. I've cut a strip of fleece for the collar of the coat, which I'm gluing on. And I'm doing the same with the sleeve cuffs. The last thing I want to do is put some PVA glue over the eyes, which will dry clear and shiny to give the eyes a bit of a sparkle. And there he is, one of the cutest things I've ever made, I think. Let me know in the comments what you think and what else I could make. Thanks for watching, bye!